like Peggy said.
Look, Peggy, Discover Card's accepted most anywhere now. It's just hard to turn down the cash rewards.
Fine. Name, address, please.
It's Kirk, Herb Street.
What number on Herb Street, Mr. Kirk?
No, Herb Street is my name.
Your same name and street? Unusual.
No. What is wrong with you? My last name is Herb Street. Herb Street.
Oh, he says Street Kirk. Name Herb.
No. Here, we'll start all over again. My last name is Herb Street.
He's confused. Herb Street. What number, please?
Ah!
Switch to Discover. Now accepted at millions of new places.